Imagine this. You've been working hard all year, filing your taxes the old-fashioned way, only to discover that you left hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on the table. Money that could have been yours. But here's the twist. What if I told you that artificial intelligence can now scan your taxes, uncover hidden deductions, and maximize your refund in just minutes? Yes, you heard that right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how AI-powered tax hacks can save you time, eliminate stress, and put more money back in your pocket, legally. So grab a cup of coffee, because this isn't your typical boring tax video. We're diving into real tools, real strategies, and real results that could change the way you do your taxes forever. Why AI in taxes matters. Taxes have always been stressful, forms, confusing rules, and that constant fear of making a mistake. The average American spends 13 hours every year just preparing taxes, and that's if you don't make errors. But thanks to AI, this is changing. AI can process thousands of tax rules in seconds, analyze your spending patterns, and suggest the exact deductions and credits you qualify for. Think of it as having a super smart tax accountant in your pocket, available 24/7. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert. These tools do the heavy lifting for you. 1. The power of AI in tax preparation. AI is basically your tax assistant on steroids. Traditional accountants look at your income and expenses, but AI goes further. Oh, it scans patterns in your financial data. Oh, it cross-checks with IRS rules in real time. Oh, it even predicts potential audit red flags before you file. Example, let's say you're a freelancer. You buy a new laptop, pay for Wi-Fi, and even use your car for client meetings. AI automatically tags these as deductible business expenses, ensuring you don't miss out on savings. Another example, if you made charitable donations or paid student loan interest, AI won't let those deductions slip away. It prompts you immediately. So instead of stressing about what you might have forgotten, AI works like a digital detective, hunting for every legal way to boost your refund. 2. AI tax hacks you need to know. Here we slow down and explain the specific hacks in detail. 1. Auto-finding deductions. Most people miss simple deductions like home office, work mileage, or medical bills. AI scans your spending, receipts, and even past tax returns to uncover them. Example, you work from home, AI calculates the exact percentage of your rent, electricity, and internet bill that counts as deductible. 2. Spotting tax credits instantly. Tax credits are even better than deductions. They directly reduce how much you owe. AI tools like TurboTax AI or FlyFin suggest credits you may qualify for. Oh, earned income tax credit. Oh, child tax credit. Oh, education credits. Oh, green energy or home improvement credits. Most people never claim these simply because they don't know they exist. 3. Scanning past returns for missed refunds. Did you know the IRS lets you amend returns from the past 3 years? AI can review your old returns, flag what you missed, and show you how to claim that money back. Imagine finding out you're owed $800 from 2 years ago just because AI spotted a missed deduction. 4. Preventing costly mistakes. AI doesn't just find savings, it prevents penalties. It checks for inconsistencies, warns about possible audits, and ensures everything matches IRS guidelines. Think of it as error-proofing your taxes. 5. Real-time guidance. Instead of waiting weeks for an accountant to respond, AI gives instant answers. Example, you type, "Can I deduct my phone bill?" AI checks your income source and replies instantly with IRS-backed rules. And here's the kicker. These hacks aren't just for business owners. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or a 9 to 5 employee, AI can uncover money you didn't even know was yours. 3. Best AI tax tools you can use. Now we make it practical and relatable. 1. TurboTax AI, probably the most popular. Uses machine learning to guide you step by step. Best for individuals and families. 2. H&R Block AI Assist. Combines human experts with AI chat. You can ask tax-related questions anytime. 3. FlyFin, for freelancers and gig workers. Specifically built for freelancers, YouTubers, and gig workers. tracks every expense automatically and categorizes it for deductions. 4. TaxFix or TaxSlayer AI. Great for quick filing in minutes. AI makes sure you don't miss anything. 5. Even ChatGPT with the right prompts. While not a tax filing service, it can explain rules, deductions, and strategies in plain English. 4. Time-saving benefits. Normally, taxes are a nightmare. Piles of receipts, forms, and endless hours. With AI, what used to take days can now be done in under an hour. The automation doesn't just save you time, it saves you the mental stress of worrying whether you did it right. Pause here for human effect. Imagine finishing your taxes in the morning and spending the afternoon relaxing, knowing you've squeezed every dollar possible from your refund. 5. Legal and safe hacks only. Now, let me be clear. These aren't shady loopholes or illegal tricks. Everything AI suggests is backed by IRS-approved rules. What AI does is make sure you don't overlook what's already legally available to you. Think of it like this. You're not cheating the system, you're just finally using the system to your full advantage. 6. The end result. At the end of the day, AI tax hacks are about one thing: keeping more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. You work too hard to give up money you don't need to. Whether it's finding new deductions, spotting miscredits, or protecting you from mistakes, AI transforms the way you file taxes. And remember, every dollar counts. That refund could help you pay off debt, invest, or simply enjoy life a little more. So now you know the secrets. AI can help you maximize your tax refund in minutes. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI plus money tips. And comment below, would you trust AI to handle your taxes? Because I'll be reading and replying to as many comments as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we uncover even more ways AI can change your financial future.